first day in Brazil?
Excuse me, are you a tourist?
Yes, I am.
Welcome to Brazil.
Thank you so much.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just arrived yesterday.
That's great. How do you like it so far?
I love it. The people are very kind.
I'm happy to hear that.
What is your name?
My name is John. And yours?
I'm Freya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Freya.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I live just down the street.
That's nice. Do you speak English often?
Not much. I'm still learning.
Your English is good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the best way to improve.
Can I ask you a few questions in English?
Of course. Go ahead.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, I see. Is it cold there?
Very cold, especially in winter.
I've never seen snow before.
You should visit someday.
I hope I can. Do you like our food?
Yes, they're amazing.
That's called feijoada.
Delicious.
If you need any help, you can ask me.
That's very kind of you.
I want to practice more English.
You're doing great already.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
Keep going. You'll become fluent soon.
I hope so. Have a nice day, Freya.
You too, John. Take care.
The case of the missing bag.
Excuse me, I need help.
Of course. What's the problem?
My luggage didn't arrive.
Oh no. Which flight were you on?
Flight 827 from Tokyo.
Okay, let me check the system.
Thank you. I'm really worried.
It happens sometimes. Don't worry.
I waited at the carousel.
And your bag didn't come out?
No, everyone else got theirs.
I see. Can you describe your bag?
It's a black suitcase with a red tag.
Large or medium?
Medium size with wheels.
Any stickers or labels?
Yes, it has a fragile sticker.
Got it. What's your name?
Michael Kim?
Passport number, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure.
Good news. Your bag is in Frankfurt.
What? How did that happen?
It was sent on the wrong flight,
Oh no.
but it will arrive tomorrow morning.
Really? That's a relief.
Yes, we'll deliver it to your hotel.
That's great.
What's your hotel address?
Hilton Central, room 307.
Got it. Do you have your claim tag?
Yes, right here.
Thank you. All set now?
Will you call me when it arrives?
Yes, we'll contact you by phone.
Thank you so much for helping.
You're welcome.
I was really nervous.
I understand. It's normal.
I'll try to relax now.
Enjoy your stay here.
I will. Thanks again.
Lost at the airport.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
I think I'm lost.
No problem. Where are you going?
I'm flying to Bangkok.
May I see your ticket?
Sure, here it is.
You're flying with Air Asia.
Yes, that's right.
Your gate is 23B.
Oh no, I think I walked past it.
Don't worry, I'll show you the way.
Thank you so much.
First, go straight ahead.
Okay, got it.
Then turn right after the coffee shop. You will see a big screen.
With flight numbers?
Exactly.
Is 23B far from here?
About a 5-minute walk.
That's not bad.
Just follow the signs.
Are there restrooms near the gate?
Yes, right next to it.
Perfect.
You should board in 30 minutes.
I still have time.
Would you like a map?
That would help.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, Lisa.
You're very welcome.
You've been really helpful.
I'm happy to assist.
This is my first flight.
How exciting!
I hope I don't miss it.
Don't worry, you'll be just fine.
Hotel check-in.
Hello. I'd like to check in, please.
Sure. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name Jane.
Let me check. Yes, I found it.
Great.
Can I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. You booked a single room for 2 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like a room with a view?
Oh, yes, that would be nice.
We have a room on the 5th floor.
Perfect.
Here is your room key, room 512.
Thank you.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great.
The elevator is to your left.
Got it?
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I only have a backpack.
All right. Wi-Fi password is on your room card.
Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
If you need anything, just call the front desk.
I will.
The checkout time is 12 noon.
Noted.
Would you like a wake-up call?
Yes, at 7 a.m., please.
Okay.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Is there a nearby restaurant?
Yes, just across the street.
Awesome.
Have a great day, Mr. Jane.
Ask for a charging phone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. How can I help you?
My phone battery is dead.
Oh, I see.
I don't have a charger with me.
That happens a lot.
Is there a charging point nearby?
Yes, there's one over there.
I went there, but I don't have a cable.
I understand.
Can I borrow a charging cable, please?
What type of phone do you have?
It's an iPhone?
Let me check.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. One moment.
I need to make an urgent call.
Don't worry. We'll help you. I found a lightning cable.
That's perfect.
You can charge your phone at this desk.
Really? That's so kind of you.
No problem. Let me plug it in.
Thank you. It's charging now.
You're welcome.
Can I sit here while it charges?
Of course. Take your time.
I just need 10% to make a call.
It should take a few minutes.
Do you get this often?
Yes, very often.
You're very helpful.
Thank you, miss.
My phone's at 12% now.
That should be enough for a call.
Great. You really saved me today.
Happy to help.
Have a great day, sir.
Buying a train ticket.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. How can I help you?
I want to take the train, but I don't know how to buy a ticket.
No problem. The machine is right here.
Oh, I see.
First, touch the screen to start.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
What do I press next?
Choose your destination on the screen.
I'm going to Central Station.
Tap the central station from the list.
Okay, I did it.
Now, choose the type of ticket.
One-way trip.
Yes. Do you need a return ticket?
No, just one way.
Then press one way.
Got it. What's next?
Now, select the number of tickets you need.
Just one.
Tap 1 point.
Done.
Now you need to pay.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Insert your card here.
Okay, it's working.
Good. Wait a moment.
It says payment is successful.
Great. Your ticket will print now.
Here it is.
That's your ticket.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Which platform should I go to?
The Central Station train is on platform 3.
How do I get there?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you. Is it leaving soon?
It leaves in 10 minutes.
I'll hurry.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks again.
Anytime. Enjoy your trip.
I will. Bye.
Job interview.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Are you here for the receptionist position?
Yes, I am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Sure. I'm 24 years old. I studied business communication.
Do you have any work experience?
Yes, I worked at a hotel front desk for 1 year.
Why did you leave that job?
I moved to this city last month.
I see. Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I can. I'm calm and focused.
How are your computer skills?
I can use Word, Excel, and email very well.
That's good. How about your English?
I can speak and write English fluently.
Excellent. Are you a team player?
Yes, I enjoy working with others.
Can you work weekends if needed?
Yes, I'm flexible with my schedule.
Great. Do you live nearby?
Yes, only 15 minutes from here.
That's convenient. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, what are the working hours?
9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Saturday.
That works for me.
What is your expected salary?
I'm open to discussion based on company standards.
Fair answer. Do you have any references?
Yes, I brought a copy with me.
Thank you. I'll take a look.
Thank you for the opportunity.
We will contact you within a few days.
I look forward to hearing from you.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Goodbye.
Taxi to City Park Hotel.
Hello. Is this taxi available?
Yes, ma'am. Where do you want to go?
I need to go to City Park Hotel.
Sure. That's about 20 minutes from here.
Great. How much will it cost?
Around $15.
That's fine. Let's go.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, just the suitcase.
You can put it in the trunk.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please get in.
This is my first time in this city.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. How long will you stay?
About 1 week.
Are you here for work or vacation?
For vacation. I want to explore the city.
There are many nice places to visit.
Really? What do you recommend?
The Old Palace and the Night Market.
That sounds exciting.
Do you like local food?
Yes, I'd love to try some.
Then you must eat at the food street.
Thanks. I'll check it out.
Do you speak the local language?
No, only English.
Don't worry, many people speak English.
That's good to know.
How was your flight?
Long, but not too bad.
Did you come alone?
Yes, I like solo travel.
That's brave.
Thank you. I enjoy meeting new people.
You'll meet many friendly locals here.
I hope so. We're almost at your hotel. That was fast.
Yes, traffic was light today.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks for the ride.
Visa check at passport control.
Good afternoon, officer.
Good afternoon. Please hand me your passport, please.
Here you go. I also had a quick question about my visa.
Sure. What would you like to know?
I wanted to check how long my visa is valid for.
All right, let me take a look. Your tourist visa is valid for 90 days from today.
Thank you. Does that mean I can stay in the country for the full 90 days?
Yes, but please make sure you don't overstay. Overstaying can lead to fines.
Understood. And if I want to extend my visa, what should I do?
You'll need to visit the immigration office downtown and apply at least a week before the expiry date.
Okay. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Here's your passport. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you, officer. Have a nice day.
In-flight first aid.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, how can I assist you?
I'm not feeling very well. Do you have any basic medicine?
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
I have a slight headache and feel a bit dizzy.
All right. We're allowed to provide only general medication. Would you like a mild pain reliever?
Yes, please. That would help.
Okay. I'll bring you 1 tablet and a glass of water.
Thank you. Is it safe to take on an empty stomach?
It should be fine, but if you prefer, I can also bring you some crackers.
That would be great. Thank you.
Of course. Please stay seated and relax for a few minutes.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. If you still feel unwell, please let me know immediately.
Sure. I appreciate it.